Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Johnson and I'm excited to join you today from Commerce Cloud as a part of the Release Readiness live videos. And I'm joined here today by my colleague Heather.
Hi, I'm Heather Platts, and this is Commerce Cloud's first time being part of this, and we're looking forward to sharing all of these features of the Spring 19 release with you today.
And just some quick housekeeping, this is our forward-looking statement. Please base all of your purchasing decisions on products and services that are currently available. So to give a little background and history, Commerce Cloud has 10 releases per year, and we're constantly innovating and iterating based on customer feedback. And speaking of this, we know that search and merchandising are hot topics in our customer community. So Commerce Cloud has been doubling down in the past year on search and merchandising. And with the power of Einstein, we're able to help shoppers find what they're looking for quickly and also personalize the entire shopping experience. And this also enables merchants to ensure that our shoppers are getting the best experience possible. So, Heather, can you tell us a bit more about some of the new features?
Yeah, let me share some features we have in merchandising. Last year, we introduced Einstein Search Recommendations, which personalizes search for each shopper. And more recently, we've added Promotion Search Refinements. This allows shoppers to refine their search based on promotions and things that are on sale. And coming in February, we've enhanced our Einstein Search Dictionaries, which continues to automate merchant tasks to help shoppers find what they want faster. So let's just jump right in and we'll take a look at these. Einstein Search Recommendations powers personalized type-ahead search for each individual shopper. It's basically like applying Google search to your site so that your shoppers are automatically guided to the best search terms for them. It gets them to the product that they're looking for faster and helps merchants supercharge conversion. The feature provides search as you type, which gives them suggestions into recently searched phrases or popular search phrases that are out there.
So this means that if we have two shoppers on the same site and both of them type in the letters SW, one may get sweater, for example, and the other may get sweatshirts. And this is all based on previous browsing data or search history on the brand site.
Exactly. It also provides personal search suggestions before a shopper even starts typing.
And this means that if I'm a shopper on a brand site and I head up to that little search bar, before I even begin to type in a single letter, Einstein is already pre-suggesting search terms for me that are relevant to me based on my previous browsing data.
Exactly. In addition, it provides auto-correction and term completion. So with Einstein Search Recommendations, merchants can tap into data from across their site to gain more value from existing search tools without additional efforts at all.
That's awesome. So exciting. So Einstein is not the only area where we've invested time and tools into search and merchandising capabilities. Can you tell us a bit more about what else Commerce Cloud has done?
Yeah, let's jump into promotion search refinements. Shoppers can now find products that they're looking for faster with new search refinements for promotions. Along with refinements for things like size, price, and color, merchandisers can create search refinements based on items that are on sale. This helps merchandisers drive revenue by showcasing select promotions on their storefront. And when a shopper refines by promotion, the search results will be filtered to show only items that are on sale. So for example, if I'm on a site and I'm shopping for dresses and everything that I see in the category dresses seems way out of my price range, with one simple click, I can click and only see those items that are on sale. So it's pretty great.
Yeah, and as a fellow budget shopper, I think that this is one of my favorite new features that Commerce Cloud has released.
Mine too.
It's great. So let's take a look and see how a merchandiser would set up a promotion search refinement for a summer sale on men's suits. So to do this, our merchandiser would navigate to the categories section of Business Manager underneath Merchant Tools and navigate to men's clothing. And while in here, they'll navigate to Search Refinement Definitions and then click on the New button. And we're going to title this Summer Sale because it's a summer sale on men's suits. And underneath Refinement Type, you'll notice that there is a new option called Promotion Refinement. So we're going to select this, and this is how we start to build out that promotion search refinement. And you'll notice that our merchandiser has other options that they can select, but for the purpose of this, we're just focusing on that promotion refinement. So to save this, we hit Apply. And we're going to go back to that previous page that we were looking at. And you'll notice here that that new promotion search refinement has been saved. So let's add that promotion search refinement to a promotion that we want to activate on the site. To do this, we'll navigate to Promotions underneath Merchant Tools, and then we'll search for suit promotions. So 25% off suits is what we want to add today. So when we click in, you'll notice that there is a refinable category. And what we want to do is we want to switch that to yes. And this will essentially turn on the promotion on the site so that our shopper is able to find it and filter by it on the left-hand navigation. So to save this, our merchandiser will go down and click Apply. So now let's check out what this looks like from a shopper view. So here our shopper is on our merchant site, and they want to take a peek at men's suits. So they navigate to men's clothing, and on the left-hand side down at the bottom, you'll know that our shopper is able to filter by summer sale, and they can click on that 25% off men's suits, and this will bring up all of the search results for that. And this is really great for those budget shoppers who want to take advantage of active promotions on your site. And it also enables merchants to help their shoppers find what they're looking for quickly.
Great. Let's take a look at our next feature. Einstein Search Dictionaries is now even more user-friendly. A new simplified Einstein table allows merchandisers to see a simplified view of all of their search dictionaries. Recommendations for new terms and for adding and removing existing terms have been added, and merchants can very easily reject or accept these suggestions right from the screen. Merchandisers are also now able to blacklist specific terms and create new dictionary word stems through stemming exception options. You can see here on the screen the simplified view of all of the search dictionaries, but why don't we take a look in real time and see how easy it is?
Yeah, let's do it. So here we are in the Search Dictionaries dashboard, and this is accessible via Search Dictionaries underneath Merchant Tools in Business Manager. And as a quick note, merchants must have Einstein turned on in order to take advantage of all of these Einstein capabilities, including search dictionaries. So we have a few different enhancements that we are releasing with this release in Einstein Search Dictionaries. So the first being a simplified view in this table. There are new descriptions underneath each of these tiles that help merchants find what they're looking for in search dictionaries as quickly as possible. And if we click into Einstein recommendations, our merchandisers now have the ability to accept or decline, add or remove suggestions within Einstein search dictionaries. And now heading back to the full view of all the tiles, there are two new tiles in here, one being stemming exceptions. So our merchandisers are able to add in new word stem exceptions into their search dictionaries recommendations. And to do this is really simple. So they're able to click into that tile, navigate to new in the upper right-hand corner, and then add in whatever word stems that they want to into the stemming exceptions box. And the next new tile that's in here is blacklisted suggestion terms. So with this, our merchandisers are able to blacklist any terms from ever showing up within their Einstein search dictionary recommendations. And to do this, they can navigate into that tab, that new tile, click new in the upper right-hand corner, and add in whatever terms they want to blacklist into that little value box. And this just goes to show how Einstein is helping to automate merchant tasks and make it easier for shoppers to find what they're looking for as quickly as possible. So Commerce Cloud will be focusing on search and merchandising capabilities for the foreseeable future. But let's talk about one of the new features that we're going to be including in the Salesforce Spring release.
So one of the features that we're highlighting is called Dynamic Imaging Service, and we refer to this as DIS. Before we talk about the enhancements that we've made to DIS, let's first take a minute and explain what DIS actually is. DIS is an image API that enables real-time image manipulation on websites. It can crop, overlay, resize, change the quality, and change the format of an image. For example, a developer who is building a particular page with multiple images on the page will use DIS so they don't have to create, store, or manage all of these images. DIS automatically manipulates the master image, which improves page load time, site reliability, and improves developer efficiency. The purpose of the enhancements are to improve deployment, scalability, reliability, and security without making significant changes to the features of the service. So we've provided enhanced security and improved site reliability during peak traffic times and during flash sales. So do you want to take a minute and show us how this looks from a shopper's perspective?
Yeah, absolutely. So here we are a shopper on a merchant site, and we're on the product detail page for a platinum blue striped shirt. And what you'll notice here is that there are two versions of the same image, one on the thumbnail and one on the carousel. So let's take a look and see what happens when we add this item to our cart. So when we do that, you'll notice that a third version of this image pops up in the right-hand corner. And this is the beauty of Diz at work. So Diz can call upon one single source file and manipulate it to meet page specifications. And developers are able to take advantage of this when building out new pages in Site Genesis or storefront reference architecture.
I'm sure they love it.
I'm sure they do too.
And just to note, as part of Salesforce security and trust initiatives, this enhancement has been rolled out across Commerce Cloud platform, and it can be used today by developers.
Thank you for sharing all of the awesome new innovation and features that Commerce Cloud has to offer. If we have any Commerce Cloud customers or anybody who wants to learn more about the platform, how can they learn more?
So if you're a current Commerce Cloud customer, you can find out about this release and all of our releases on Exchange.
That's great. And don't forget to mark your calendars. Connections is the marketing, commerce, and service event of the year in June in Chicago. And whether you're a current Commerce Cloud customer or if you just want to learn more about the platform, it's a great way to get a deep dive into everything that Commerce Cloud has to offer.
It's definitely the place to be.
It sure is. So thanks again for joining me today, and I can't wait to see what Commerce Cloud has in store for summer 19.
Thank you.